There's a lot of action happening here today at the renovation team. Rosie, this ceiling here is really not strong. Oliver, this is extremely long.
Meet Claire, a solo mom who transformed a once-neglected property into a stunning home for her two boys. With a little help from James Goran and the renovation team, buying a rundown property in Westmere, Claire faced a big challenge. She needed a home that felt the property was in dire need of love. The floors, the walls, the very essence of it needed a complete overhaul. That's where we stepped in.
Okay, let's walk inside. Starting from the hallway, painting the doors, we're going to do some layout changes. 3 LED downlights in the ceiling. We're going to remove that one and bring it back to a polished floor. It's have jib that doesn't have plaster, so the jib work is seems to be reasonably okay, but needs a full plaster job and paint. Piece. Window all needs a very good paint job. The floor seems to be original, it needs to be polished. There is no wardrobe in this bedroom except that thing here, so we might need to talk about that as well. 4 LED lights in each bedroom. Chip work with nails been done a long time ago. Again, no wardrobe. Lights, switches. Those are the 3 bedrooms. Need attention, it's aluminum windows, that's good. 4 LED lights in this bedroom. On the floor, we're gonna have carpets in the bedroom, polished floor in the bedrooms, all the way to the ceiling frank, sliding doors, nice and simple. 3 LED lights in the hallway. 4 LED lights in the ceiling, checking, putting more screws please, making sure everything is nice and flat. Plaster, paint, polished floor. The door will stay and open up as it is, and we will have a wardrobe all the way to the ceiling here. We'll have a wardrobe system built behind this door. So okay, all wardrobes will have a mirror sliding doors. This space have a very old timber frame that probably needs some attention. New handles everywhere. This one have a wallpaper that needs to be pulled out. So 6 LED in the living room, polished floor, heat pump seems to be reasonably new. This is the extension part of the house, kitchen area. It is a bit sloping. There's a very good access out of the house. This is a flat roof. This area is a kind of a in-between spaces. It's storage at the moment, but we'll discuss what we're going to do with it. Bit of a space here as well, and that's the bathroom, laundry, vanity, shower, and the toilet. There's a lot of action happening here today at the renovation team. Beautiful house. Electrician.
Our team worked closely with Claire, redesigning the space to create a modern, vibrant home. A brand new kitchen, revitalized floors, a luxurious bathroom, and a fresh exterior paint job from a purchase price of $1,897,000 and renovation costs at $193,000. The new valuation soared to $2.6 million. That's a net equity of $510,000. Claire's story isn't just about rent, innovation. It's about creating a safe haven for her family and securing their financial future. Trust and professionalism turned this dream into reality. Our team provides a fixed price, quote, and scope of work tailored to your needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient renovation. Contact the renovation team today